For those of us shaped by modern systems, judgment often feels clean. We like knowing who is at fault. Clear villains make complexity feel manageable, but systems rarely fail all at once. They shape behavior long before they condemn it. Richard Wright understood this. He wasn't writing about individual failure, he was writing about environments that quietly manufacture outcomes. In Native Son, the character isn't the argument, the system is. Limited opportunity, constant surveillance, narrow definitions of legitimacy. Choice still exists, but only technically. When every viable path is blocked, behavior becomes predictable. Systems prefer this framing. Outcomes can be punished without examining causality. Punishment preserves order. Context threatens legitimacy. Wright knew that deprivation isn't only material, it's psychological. When systems deny subjectivity, people adapt, and then those adaptations are criminalized. This isn't rebellion, it's survival. Decades later, the same truth appeared in a different language. Tupac Shakur didn't invent conditions, he diagnosed them. Like Wright, he collapsed distance. Proximity makes judgment harder, but it's the only place ethical responsibility survives. Freedom, Wright warned, doesn't arrive as comfort. It arrives as clarity, and clarity is expensive. Modern systems reward distance. They call it accountability. But without context, judgment becomes hollow. Ethical judgment requires proximity. It requires refusing imposed definitions of who belongs. Wright's works still matters because it asks the harder questions. Are we willing to see what our systems reliably produce and accept our role in that production?